At Team Industries, what we do is manufacture parts, but why we do it is to see our customers happy and enjoying our products.
Being a Team Industries team member means being part of a family. They've supported not only me, but my entire family outside of work.
They treat their employees like family, and that's made it very enjoyable working for them.
What makes me proud to work at Team Industries is I feel like what I do on a daily basis genuinely makes a difference to the company at whole.
You can always grow at Team Industries. I started out just an assembly worker, and now I'm a point person, and I know when I'm ready to move up and work in an office, I always have that opportunity.
I came into Team Industries knowing nothing about machining. I've been given opportunities to take full college courses. I've gone to automation training. They're gonna drive you to do your best and then give you opportunities to exceed that.
I believe the future of Team Industries looks bright, and they are going to continue to become bigger and more diversified.
Our industry didn't slow down at all during COVID. We picked up to the point where there's almost too much work, but we've kept up and we've only got places to grow.
If I was talking to someone who was getting into this industry, I would recommend Team Industries for their fairness to their employees, the atmosphere, and the family feel.